Hey guys, what is up? We are back with another video.
Today we are going to do an unboxing video. Ayun, yun lang naman. Thank you for watching.
Bye! Hey guys, what's up? We got another video for you. It's
Unboxing! Hoy, ingatan mo!
Wait lang. Boom! Nakuha namin ang...
Nabutas yung iPad.
Oh my god.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog!
When you open it, like slowly and smoothly.
Like so.
Oh my god, baka matusok ko yung sarili ko.
Oh my god, ako na lang kaya.
Walang tiwala sa'yo.
Walang tiwala sa akin.
Paano ba to?
Unboxing over!
So that's it for our video.
Wow!
Wow! May sound effects na tayo. Tadaan! Walang
May
laman.
kasamang bag.
Remember to recycle this. May paano? Yeah, ano yung 3 R's? Alam mo ba yung 3 R's?
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Tama ba?
Tama. Reduce first pag hindi kaya reuse, pag hindi pa rin recycle. Kaya siya in order. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Anyway, disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by anyone. What can you say about the packaging?
Wow, maraming bubble wrap. It's a plus. At for dagdag safety, meron isa pang layer ng bubble wrap.
Hashtag no filter.
This is the Space Gray 64GB iPad Air 3. Makita niyo dito, Wi-Fi lang siya, hindi siya cellular. Makikita dyan.
Wala, ayaw mag-focus. Eh di wag.
Okay. Next up is the opening ceremony.
So, it takes two to tango. Ano da?
Yan, good tip lang sa inyo lahat. Kailangan mo, let gravity do its thing.
Wow.
Ganyan lang.
Ting talaga.
Boom!
We bought this online. It was shipped from the US, the United States, to the Philippines. It costs 27,500 pesos from iOOS. It's iOwn Original Shop. iOwn Original Shop. Check out their Facebook page. Hit ako kay mukha mo. And their Instagram page also.
Ikaw mag-go.
Sa atin nakafocus eh. Diba, ang hirap naman ng vlog. Sino ba kasi nagsabing mag-start kami ng YouTube channel?
Sino nga ba?
Oh my god, so satisfying.
Gotta feel that. And there we have it. New iPad Air 3.
So, what's inside the box? So, we have, syempre, an iPad. Hindi naman to iPad review kung walang iPad. So, I'll place it here. Disclaimer, hindi po to sa amin. Pinapa-unbox lang baka sabihin yung RK ako. Char!
So, Dianne, what's in the box?
Hindi mo kina-ate. Sapukin kaya kita.
So, Ate Dianne, what's in the box?
So, inside the box is the charger. Yun lang. So, the iPad and then the charger. Ano ba yan? Sobrang, diba? Low yield.
Ang low yield.
Ayan, tinuturuan ko siya ng mga med school lingo. So, it's still the lightning cable.
I'm sure sa inyo gusto niyo na ito maging Type-C, pero na, Apple doesn't want that.
And also this one. It's a charger. Alam mo, sa akin lang nakafocus buong video, pero okay lang yan. Kasi, ayaw mag-focus eh. So, ibabalik ko na.
I-open
Alright!
na natin.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now the question, since online lang namin binili to, gumagana ba? Disclaimer lang din na kilala ko naman yung owner actually ng iOOS, ng iOwn Original Shop.
Link down below.
Yeah, they sell all branded products from the US, you know, yung mga products na I don't have to mention. Ayun, so, ikaw mo mag-on. Hindi ako marunong mag-on eh.
It's amazing.
So, by by the way, we bought this for 27,500. It's much cheaper than those sold in Apple stores in the Philippines. Yung mga price dito is around 30,000 pesos for iPad Air 3 na 64GB. And I actually got this for free shipping, pero hindi ko alam if may promotion pa silang ganun. So this is the iPad Air 3, and we are going to compare. Huwag mo ko i-hate pag sasabihin kong feeling ko lahat ng iPad pare-pareho lang.
It's true.
Totoo, for you din.
Oo, totoo lang tayo.
No, pare-pareho lang mga lahat ng iPad. So, we won't do a vigorous comparison between the two.
Obviously, makikita nyo dito.
Ingatan mo ah.
Oo, makikita. Mas malaki. Ang iPad Air 3. So, bali sa size pala, makikita nyo yung iba ng size nila. Tapos ang bezel din, mas maliit yung bezel size sa gilid dito sa new iPad kaysa sa old. So mas malaki ang screen to body ratio ng iPad.
Actually. Now, ang tanong ng bayan, is it worth it? Well, given na online na ang classes talaga, yeah, gadgets are really essential, iPad or laptop or tablet. I'm not saying iPad, but tablet. And is it worth it? Well, I was scared at first because it's online. Isi-ship siya from US to the Philippines, so baka mabasag or like may gas. But it's really safe, as in, it's like straight from the Apple store. Wow!
Also, ang shipping time ng device na to ay 6 weeks. So, mapapahintay kayo, pero worth the wait.
Yeah, kasi it's worth the price. It's almost 3,000 pesos less than... So, di ba, ang dami mo na mabibili sa 3K?
I agree.
Wow! And this is
The iPad Air
3.
3.
Uy, parang grade mo lang. Wow! By the way, the iOwn original shop also sells other products. You can check their Facebook page. So,
Not sponsored.
yeah, this video is not sponsored. But
Not
I do
sponsored.
recommend. Not sponsored, but I do recommend. Kasi alam mo, hindi naman kami monetized.
After nyo panoorin lahat ng video namin dito, go watch everything! Mga 5 videos lang naman meron kami para dumagdag which hours na.
Uy, 11 na yung videos
Ay, 11 ba? What?
Ayan, ito yung walang ambag sa YouTube channel. Hindi alam.
So please manood kayo lahat
Ito
ng
yung
mga video
groupmate
namin.
mo, ito yung groupmate mo na hindi alam kung ano na yung nagawa sa group.
Dumbbell. Alam mo yung video na yun?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Pero feeling ko yun yung
Maraming
binubuhat.
mga gets sa video na yun. May video yun.
Feeling ko yun yung, okay, di ba?
Dumbbell.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching!
Bye!
Hello sa mga nanonood po ng mga vlogs namin. Salamat po sa pasensya.
Thank you. Itong box na to galing dark web.
Ito fake news. To compare the iPad Air 3.
Ay.
Ay, sabay tayo!
Hey, what's up guys? Sa mga
5, 6, 7, go.
What's
Hey guys!
going on guys? It's me. It's your boy Donmig.
Huwag ka nga manggulo!
Huwag kang papansin.
Ayun, ito pala. Dito mo isa-slice. Ako na lang.
Sige.
Ako na.
Kaya ka ang papansin.
Ayan yan talaga yung problem kapag may may ring light ka. Kitang-kita sa eyeglasses.
Okay lang yan.
Kita nyo yung ito sa suggested videos. Hindi ko alam kung saan dyan.
Dito, ito.
You can check it out.
Oh,
Ring
yun
light
lang.
review from
Ito pala.
Lazada in less than 300 pesos.
Wala labas na 3, 2, 1. Click.
Anyway!
Compare.
Wow!
Ito naman,
Like
ang
magic.
iPad Air 2.
Hey guys! Welcome to our vlog.
vlog.